Hey everyone, so today is another Patreon exclusive video where I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this coffee facial scrub. So I'm not really sure what's wrong with my voice, but it sounds really raspy, so sorry about that. Anyways, here's the formulation I have typed out in 2% for you guys. So, you can just screenshot this, as I always say, and then refer back to it later. But anyways, I say this all the time in my videos as well, which you probably know if you are a patron. But if you don't know how to transfer a recipe from percents to a weighed out recipe, I will link down below to a video that shows you guys exactly how to do that. So you're all patrons, and I figured most of you guys all know the drill here on my channel, so let's just get into it. So we're going to be making about 4 ounces of this facial scrub. So I am using a glass container because we're going to be heating this up, and I started with 10.8 grams of cetyl alcohol. Next I used 10.8 grams of emulsifying wax NF. I'll link down below to all the ingredients and to some substitutions as well. Then I used 26.7 grams of sunflower oil, but you can use whatever carrier oil you would like to use. Then I used 10.8 grams of shea butter, and then I covered it with aluminum foil because we're going to be heating it up. And of course we're using the double boiler method that I always use on my channel, and you just want to heat it up until it's all melted. There's no exact temperature you need to get it to, just heat it up until it's all melted. And as you can see, it's all melted, so we're going to keep this covered and place it in the refrigerator until it hardens. Now that all the ingredients have solidified, it is time to mix everything up and make it nice and whipped and fluffy. So once everything is mixed together, it is time to add our preservative. The preservative I'm using is called Optifin. Be sure you're getting Optifin, not Optifin Plus, because Optifin is used in oil-based products, which is exactly what this is. Optifin Plus is used in water-based products. So be sure you're adding in 0.9 grams of Optifin. Then be sure to blend it all together to make sure it's well combined, and then add your exfoliant. And of course, our exfoliant is coffee grounds. Be sure you're using fresh coffee grounds and not used coffee grounds. And I added in 60 grams of coffee grounds. This is kind of optional. If you want it to be less exfoliating, then add less, or if you want it to be more exfoliating, then add more. And then blend it all together to make sure it's well combined. So I'm going to be storing my coffee scrub in this 4-ounce plastic jar. I'll link down below to where I purchased mine. And like I said, this recipe makes 4 ounces. It kind of depends on how much coffee grounds you put in it, but if you put in 60 grams, it'll be right around 4 ounces. So I sealed up my scrub because this is for a customer. And then of course, I finished it off with a label. So I am absolutely obsessed with coffee scrubs because I just love the scent of coffee, especially in the morning. So this is a great product to use in the morning. And also, it's just a great alternative to sugar scrubs because I love sugar scrubs, but it's just, it's nice to mix it up every once in a while. So let me know if you guys try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Also, be sure to let me know how you're enjoying these Patreon exclusive videos. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself